Hello everyone, myself Komal Bhati, and in this video we are going to discuss about the different sources of drug. In previous lecture we studied about the basic introduction of pharmacology, what is pharmacokinetics, what is pharmacodynamics, and the landmarks of pharmacology. So in this video we are going to discuss different sources of drug. तो different sources, आप जितने भी तरीके के ड्रग्स लेते हैं उनकी क्या सोर्स है, कहाँ कहाँ से वो ड्रग्स आए हैं या किन चीज़ों से उन ड्रग्स को बनाया जाता है, वो सारी चीज़ें हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। मेन ओरिजिन उस ड्रग का क्या है। तो सोर्सेज में वेरियस कैटेगरीज हैं। कुछ ड्रग्स ऐसे होते हैं जो प्लांट से बनाए जाते हैं, प्लांट का एक्सट्रैक्शन करने के बाद में। कुछ एनिमल, मिनरल्स, माइक्रोबियल, सिंथेटिक एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी या बायोटेक की हेल्प से ड्रग्स को बनाया जाता है। तो अगर हम प्लांट की बात करें, वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स आर यूज्ड in the formation of drug that may be leaf, flower, fruit, root or bark. If we talk about animal source of drug, तो depending on the animal, different parts are used in the formation of drugs. Like animal pancreas are used in the formation of insulin. Like ship is used in thyroid preparations. Cod is used in liver oil formation, and animal blood is used in the formation of vaccines. Next, stomach tissues of animals are used in the formation of pepsin. Animal urine is used for HCG hormone formation, and last, animal bone is used for the formation of calcium. If we talk about mineral source of drugs, so different types of minerals like iron, zinc, iodine, gold, silver, borax, these all minerals are used in the formation or in the treatment of various disease. Like iron is used in case of anemia, zinc is used in wound or to heal wound, iodine is used as an antiseptic, gold is used in arthritis, silver is used as an immunity booster, borax is used as antiseptic, selenium is used in dandruff, fluorine is used as antiseptic, and last chlorine is used as disinfectant. Now, if we talk about microbial source of drugs, so microbial, penicillin, lactobacillus, streptomycin, gentamicin, these all are used or formed by the microbial extraction. Second last, synthetic drugs or synthetic source of drugs क्या हैं? So synthetic imatin, bismuth iodine, ampicillin and others, these are the synthetic drugs. Last is biotech or biotechnology, we can say. So in biotech, recombinant DNA technology is used for various kinds of drugs formation or manufacturing. So it is the small note on different sources of drug. So here are some examples of drugs which are prepared by plants, by animals, by minerals, by microorganisms and many more. So source of drug, according to various parameters, these are divided into three types. What are these three types? Natural drugs, synthetic drug and semi-synthetic drug. Natural drugs are those drugs which we obtained directly from the nature, like plants, animals, minerals, microorganisms. As it is, these are extracted from the nature and used as a drug. If we talk about plants, source of drug, digoxin from Digitalis purpurea, atropine from Atropa belladonna, and quinine from Cinchona officinalis are used as a plant natural drug. If we talk about animals, so insulin, like we discussed on previous page, insulin is extracted from beef or pork. Cod liver oil is extracted from cod fish liver. Minerals, iron, iodine, potassium, salts, these are all the types or minerals. Microorganism, penicillin from Penicillium notatum, chloramphenicol from Streptomyces. These are the microorganisms extracted from the various microorganisms. Next is a synthetic drug. So synthetic drug, these are the type of drugs which are synthesized in pharmaceutical laboratories. For example, sulfonamide, quinolines, barbiturates, these are the types of synthetic drugs. Last is semi-synthetic drugs. So semi-synthetic drugs, these are prepared by chemical modification of the natural drug. For example, an ampicillin from penicillin G. So it was the basic of what are the different sources of drugs, from where we have extracted the drugs we are consuming day by day for treating any type of disease. So it was all about the different sources of drug. Thank you.